Pretty good view here. Sorry for the wind noise.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I had to record a little bit of this project that we've been driving through now for probably, what, 2-3 miles? It's been solid street lights, beautiful 4-lane interstate highway, and beautiful huge sidewalks, all for this.
I think we're just coming to the good part up here.
It's gonna get bigger.
Cameron's trading post.
I don't know who this Cameron guy is or who he had to blow to get this road, but geez.
Oh yeah, the whole town, Cameron.
This is unreal.
It must have been really good.
It is a U.S. highway, but it's funny how this is just in the res. The rest of it was kind of, eh. I would be shocked if we didn't see a cop somewhere. Oh yeah, look at that. It is a pretty cool place.
That's the bike trail.
Oh, holy cow. I'm picking up what they're laying down now. Okay, so this isn't so bad. It just got a lot better. More worth it.